Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate percentage increase in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, we need to have a set of data that we can experiment with. For now, we've got the payroll for 3 employees named Jack, Jill, and James. Now, if ever we want them to give a 25% incentive or bonus, all we have to do is increase the total of payroll they currently have right now. To do so, we must increase it by percentage. There are 3 ways that we can use. First is using the decimal way. Just click on the cell that we want to increase. Let's say we want to increase Jack's payroll. Click on the cell next to the total, press the equal sign, and click on the existing total that we have. Now, press the asterisk in your keyboard and type 1.25 to signify a 25% increase from the original value. Once you click enter, we can see that his salary just increased from 536.89 to 671.11. which is a direct 25% increase from the original. Next, we can also do this method. Press the equal sign, click on the original total, press the asterisk in your keyboard, and type 125% directly. If we do so, we would be getting a new total of $805.88. Now, for our last method, it's kind of like the decimal again, but this time it's more clearer and more easier to understand. All we have to do is press on the equal sign and click on the existing total. Now, press the plus button on your keyboard and click on the total again. And go ahead and click on the asterisk and type 0.25. This just means that we want to get the previous total and add 25% of our previous total in the final formula. Once we click on enter, we should be getting a value of 740.81. And there we go. This is how you calculate percentage increase in Microsoft Excel.